Hi, welcome to my channel where I'll be posting content related to food and products. If you're new here, hey, follow my other channel Janvika Academy to know more about me. Today, I'm chopping some carrots, potatoes, and 3/4 of an onion. I'll be cooking them in water with some salt and finally blending the pieces together to make a common puree that can be used as both a pasta sauce and can be made into a soup. No garlic in this. For the soup, just boil it with some water, and for the pasta sauce, you can add some oregano and basil and of course other veggies with the pasta. So for the pasta that I'll be making, I plan to add some olives and broccolis. I'm not using the entire onion. I'm just using 3/4 of it. Stay tuned for the next videos on Chopping with Me series. Until then, like, share, comment, and follow for more. Bye bye.